Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is Poem on Diwali in English. In the heart of autumn's embrace, in the heart of autumn embrace, when nights grow deep and stars find their place, when nights grow deep and stars find their place, a festival of lights begins to gleam, a festival of lights begins to gleam. Diwali arrives like a radiant dream. Diwali arrives like a radiant dream. The air is filled with joy and cheer. The air is filled with joy and cheer. As families gather, the time is near. As family gathers, time is near. With laughter and love, they light the night. With laughter and love, they light the night. In every corner, a flickering light. In every corner, a flickering light. Homes are adorned with vibrant rangoli. Homes are adorned with vibrant rangoli. Colors dance and swirl a festive folly. Colors dance and swirl a festive folly. From doorways to windows, each space aglow. From doorways to windows, each space aglow, symbolizing warmth where love can grow. Symbolizing warmth where love can grow. The aroma of sweets wafts through the air. The aroma of sweets wafts through the air. Laddus and burfis with flavor to share. Laddus and burfis with flavors to share. Mouth-watering treats, a delight to the taste. Mouth-watering treats, a delight to the taste. Each bite brings happiness. Each bite brings happiness. Nothing to waste. Nothing to waste. As twilight descends, the skies come alive. As twilight descends, the skies come alive. With burst of fireworks, the spirits thrive. With burst of fireworks, the spirits thrive. Crackling and popping, a colorful display. Crackling and popping, a colorful display. A symphony of joy that lights up the day. A symphony of joy that lights up the day. In prayer and offerings, we seek the divine. In prayers and offerings, we seek the divine. Ganesha and Lakshmi, blessings align. Ganesha and Lakshmi, blessings align. May prosperity flourish, may troubles cease. May prosperity flourish, may troubles cease. In the heart of each home, in the heart of each home, let there be peace. Let there be peace. Children's laughter rings out. Children's laughter rings out, pure and bright, pure and bright, as they play with sparkles, as they play with sparklers, dancing in light, dancing in light. With innocent glee, they embrace the night. With innocent glee, they embrace the night. Their joy, a reminder of all that is right. Their joy, a reminder of all that is right. In this sacred moment, let kindness prevail. In this sacred moment, let kindness prevail. As we share with the needy, we lift the veil. As we share with the needy, we lift the veil. Diwali teaches us with love in our hearts. Diwali teaches us with love in our hearts that giving and sharing are the greatest art. That giving and sharing are the greatest arts. So let us come together hand in hand. So let us come together hand in hand, celebrating this festival so grand, celebrating this festival so grand, with hope in our hearts and dreams that inspire, with hope in our hearts and dreams that inspire. May Diwali ignite our inner fire. May Diwali ignite our inner fire. As the last of the candles flicker and fade, as the last of the candles flicker and fade, we cherish the memories that we have made. We cherish the memories that we have made. For in the glow of this festival's grace, for in the glow of this festival's grace, we find unity and warmth in every face. We find unity and warmth in every face. Happy Diwali to all, near and far. Happy Diwali to all, near and far. May the light of this season be your guiding star. May the light of this season be your guiding star. In the tapestry of life, let love intertwine. In the tapestry of life, let love intertwine. As we bask in the glow of this festival divine. As we bask in the glow of this festival divine. Happy Diwali, friends. Thank you, friends, for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye, friends.